Hey, look at us moving through these lessons. It's 816 surface area again, but our focus is on cylinders. So our objective today is that students will be able to apply the formula to find the surface area of cylinder. Now, let's go straight into the surface area of a cylinder. And again, please copy these formulas into your notebook. Surface area is not given to you on the Regents. So when I look at a surface area, right, it's like a shape that looks like this. Then when I open it out, try to see what it's made of, because surface area is all the sides being added together. It has two circles, right? What's the area of a circle? Excellent, pi r square. So it's going to be 2 pi r square. And then there's this kind of guy right here. Now that's the height. It's like a rectangle. Remember we said the rectangle, when you rolled it, you rotate it, it's going to make a sphere. But then that also now creates the circumference. What is the circumference formula? You got it, you got it. Think. Go back to your notes. There you go. 2 pi r. So hence, this is where the formula comes in. The surface area is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r times the height. Pause the video, copy this formula, because this is what you're going to be working on. When you're copying the formula, go ahead and just, I don't know why part of this didn't come out, but just make sure you put an S right here. Make it surface area. So surface area is the two circles, the 2 pi r square. We got the circumference that the rectangle rolls to make, and then you got the height. Now let's look at an example. In your notebook, yes, your notebook, come on, don't be lazy. You're already home, sitting in your pajamas working. Come on, the least you can do is copy the notes. Find the surface area. Let's round this to the nearest tenth. So the first thing you got to do is we got to go ahead now and write the formula. Surface area is equal to 2 pi r squared. That's the circle. Then I got the circumference, which is 2 pi r, and I'm timesing it by height. So let's go ahead and substitute everything. This is your radius, this is your height, and we're going to go ahead. So 2 times pi times 3 square plus 2 times pi times 3 times 9. And plug this just like that in your calculator. Don't go crazy. So this will be 226.19. And if we round this to the nearest one decimal, will be 226.2 inches square. Final answer. Right? And again, tenths means one decimal. That's why I rounded at the very end. Now, again, a simple, straightforward kind of thing. Be mindful, again, if you're given the diameter, you take half of it to get the radius, but you got to show all your work and substitute. You know the deal when you're completing this worksheet, right? Show me everything. Show step by step so I can help you and see where you're making these mistakes. Alrighty, guys, stay safe and have a great day, okay?